Welcome to this lecture. This is Vijay Kumar from Dynacode Academy. So in this lecture, I'm going to create the UI when we select the option and when the answer is correct or when the answer is incorrect. So we need to create 3 more screens to demonstrate the concept. So switch back to Adobe XD. So first I'm going to do what? I'm going to just simply click on this main quiz UI screen and I'm going to simply press Ctrl V and I'm going to click on this layer tab, so it will give us a more wider area to work. First I'm going to do what? I'm going to rename this to main quiz UI screen to call it as when quiz option is selected. Selected and hit enter. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to just simply click on this first one. So when the answer is selected, so I'm going to make it as little yellowish color. Means the fill I want little yellow, and that's okay. So I don't want a border. No, the fill I wanted, but I don't want a border. So that's the thing that we want. So I'm going to just switch between these two drawables when inside of the Enroll Studio to perform a blink animation. Means after 1 second it will change to default one, then after 1 second it will change into this yellow one. So it will create the impact that the answer is in process. So I'm going to do the same with all of these options as well. I'm going to select this one and again I'm going to select this one and just I've selected this one, and again I'm going to, by pressing shift key, select this one as well and also this one. Then I'm going to fill it with the same color, that is this one, and just remove the border. So it will make the selectable quiz screen option screen. So this is the whole design for the selectable quiz option. Again I'm going to copy it, Ctrl V. So I'm going to get the when the answer is correct. So I'm going to type when quiz option correct. Simply hit enter. So when the answer is correct, so I want to show a green color to indicate that the selected answer is correct. So I'm going to click on this green color, that is this one. I'm going to click on pick color tool, and I want this one, and I also want the color of this little arrow to be the same as the timer green. So I'm going to click on this one again. This is the same as this one. I'm going to select this all the 3 remaining our options design. Hit on this fill tab, not the fill tab, just click on this pick color tool and just color the same with the. So this will be the option when our answer is correct. Perform the blink animation, and after that the blink animation, if the selected answer is correct, then it will show this green option with the drawable if I say in Android terms. And again I'm going to select this one, this artboard, and enter Ctrl CV for the quick copy and paste. So this one is when the answer, when the quiz option wrong. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to type wrong. Hit enter. Don't want the one at the end. So when the answer is incorrect, I want to change it to red. So the red color, that is this one. So again I'm going to select all the remaining 3 ones, and just with the use of pick tool I can directly color it to all these as red. Now I'm not using the text in between these because the text we are going to add inside of the Enroll Studio with the use of text property of button instead of directly specifying the text, because this is the random text. It will be changes according to the when a question comes. Questions will be fetched from the database, maybe array list, maybe from server. So that's why we need to only create the background inside of the graphical design tool. Don't need to specify the text. If you specify the text, so later on if you export it, the text will also be exported, and there is no way to remove the text inside of the Enroll Studio on a graphical system, means on a graphical.png file. So that's all about the 3 screens. This is for selected, this is for when the answer is correct, and this is for when the answer is wrong. So I also want to add one more thing. If the timer goes 0, then what will be the result of this UI? Means this graphical element. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to change the color to red when the timer reaches to 0. Also the text color I want to change it to red. And the background I'm going to change it to the white. So this will be the impact when the timer reaches to 0. It will show us next time a timer dialog, times up dialog to indicate the user that you have run out of your time and you don't process, means don't select the option. So it will show us the times up and the quiz will be quit. So we are going to do all these things in our next videos, means in our next upcoming videos. The first, we are going to create the times up dialog UI. Then the second, we are going to create the another UI dialog when the user won the quiz, and the another dialog that we need is a user lost the quiz. So all these three screens we are going to create in our upcoming videos. So for now, that's it about this video. So if you like this video, then please share it to your friends and also subscribe to my channel. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.